There are hundreds of contractors out there, but in the entire Dayton, Ohio region, there's only one elite preferred James Hardie contractor. But what does elite preferred actually mean? It's not just a nice title, it's the highest level of certification given from James Hardie to contractors that meet every single one of these strict requirements. To qualify as an elite preferred contractor, a company must install a minimum number of James Hardie jobs annually, consistently and at a high volume, maintain a satisfaction score of 90% or higher from surveyed homeowners, comply with James Hardie's 100% best practices checklist on every install, be fully licensed, bonded, and insured, pass random on-site audits and project inspections, have a proven track record of excellence in design, professionalism, and communication. So James Hardie does not hand out this badge to anyone. We earned it by consistently proving that we are one of the best in the nation at what we do. Being elite preferred means our customers get only the very best. Certified crews, long-time warranties, and peace of mind. When you hire American Way Exteriors, you're not just getting a contractor. You are getting a team that has been vetted, trusted, and certified by the very company that's making the best siding in America. If you're looking to upgrade your home, reach out to the only elite preferred contractor in Dayton, Ohio.